Hello everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do this DPF cleaning. I have Citroen C4 Grand Picasso 1.6 e-HDI automatic 2014. The interior of the car is quite similar, actually it's 100% similar to the later model, but the DPF cleaning is a little bit different because in later model the DPF and pressure sensor of DPF is beneath the car, but in this model it's actually in front of the car. So I open the bonnet lever, I go inside the bonnet and I can show you where we can locate the pressure sensor. It's just above the alternator. So here this black one is a DPF pressure sensor. We have two hose clamps, green and gray, and they are connected to the DPF. So here DPF is located here, as you can see in the video. I just zoomed in. So what we're gonna do, that we open this pressure sensor and we put the liquid inside the green hose. So the tool that we required are actually quite easy. You can find in your home. One is socket wrench with 8mm socket, flathead screwdriver, DPF cleaner, and additionally you can have WD-40. You can also buy click arc clamp tool because the hose green is connected with the sensor with a click arc clamp, or you can use standard hose clamp because once you remove this click arc clamp then you can't put it back if you don't have the tool. So what I did, I replaced click arc clamp with this standard hose clamp. So here I'm just using 8mm socket to open the pressure sensor, and with few jerks it can easily be opened. Now you can easily remove with your hand the screw for the pressure sensor. So I remove the screw here. Now pressure sensor is free to move. Now I have to remove this green hose. There's one more plastic clamp. I removed the plastic clamp using flathead screwdriver. You can see that you just have to click on one side and then it will be removed. And then we have this click arc clamp. I actually removed that one also with flathead screwdriver because I don't have that special tool. And then you can easily remove that one. Once it is removed, now it's time to put diesel particle filter cleaner inside this. Remember, I am using this chemical diesel particle filter which is present in pressurized can. I remove the cover and I put this diesel particle filter inside this green hose using a small tube which is present inside diesel particle filter. So now I press it with the 2-second intervals or 1-second interval so that it can go inside it in a pressurized liquid form. Once it is done, now it's time to close this hose, but the problem is here that I don't have this click arc clamp tool. So what I'm doing here, that I will replace this click arc clamp, and here you can see that I have this click arc clamp. I actually tried to clamp this click arc clamp with normal plier, but it was not helpful, so I choose another standard hose clamp which you can tighten by using flathead screwdriver. So I, instead of using this click arc clamp, I'm using standard clamp, and I put this back and you can see it's actually working perfectly. Yeah, and you just need a flathead screwdriver to clamp it. And now we just put the screw back and close the or actually fix the pressure sensors and wait for 30 minutes so that this chemical eats away all the carbon inside the diesel particle filter. After 30 minutes you can see the liquid is coming out from the exhaust. So I run the car for 15 minutes at 3000 rpm. I also took a highway trip, and here you can see I converted my automatic car into manual gear and I run at 3500 rpm so that it will burn all the carbon and the liquid which we inserted in diesel particle filter came out from the exhaust. And now my car is working perfectly, and I can assure you that it will improve your mileage per liter. and I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you.